Hello and welcome to worksheet P25. This is where we're going to write an equation, linear equation, given the fact that they tell us the slope and the y-intercept. Here's the beauty of this whole deal, is that our equation has those two aspects to it. We have y is equal to, we call it mx plus b, where the m just is the slope number, right? We just put the slope number where the m goes. We put the y-intercept number where the b is. And so what we're going to do is we look at question number 1. We're going to say y equal mx plus b. We're going to write this, and instead of m, we're going to put the slope number in there, -2/5. Follow with an x. And then we're going to follow that up with the b value. We could do plus a -2 or just -2. Either one works. There's our answer. That's all we're doing. All right? Y equals mx plus b. In place of the m, we're going to put the slope number a. X in place of the y-intercept plus 4. Could this be any simpler? Right? Y is equal to mx plus b. I want you to get used to that. Y equal mx plus b, y equal mx plus b. It's a huge thing to know. But all we're doing is replacing the m with the slope number, followed by the x. And the y-intercept number just goes at the end. Y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so number 7 is a very interesting question, because we could answer it directly just like we did the ones up above. 0 in place of the slope, 1 in place of the y-intercept. However, if you want to, you can recognize the fact that what is 0 times anything? Of course, it's 0. And so technically this problem, if we wanted to write it as y equal 1, that would be acceptable. I will accept either of these two answers. Y equals 0x plus 1 or y equal 1. Either one is acceptable in this case. And last but not least, y is equal to mx plus b. We've got y is equal to, in place of the m, we're going to put -1. In place of the b, we're going to put 0. Now, keeping in mind that when we have a number multiplied, a 1 multiplied by a variable, we technically do not have to write the 1. We have to keep the negative sign. That's important. And when we add 0, we don't technically have to write it. So I would accept either of these two answers. And I suppose technically I would accept this answer as well. As well as this one, I suppose, if you wanted to do it this way. I don't care if you're including the 0. You don't have to include the 0. You can include the 0. You can replace the 1 by leaving it out. All right? So you got a lot of different options to be able to write this same answer. These all mean exactly the same thing. Your job is do the even numbers, send the results in to me. I'll get you the assessment going, and it shouldn't be too tough for you to figure this one out. Good luck.